guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, coming at you from the shop. 816 Diesel, I know it's rare. We're usually standing in the middle of a parking lot in the West Bottoms, but I got a PSA for you guys today, and I don't want you missing out on this. It's happening on Facebook right now, but we're giving away a brand new Edge CTS 3, brand new in the box, in 2 weeks, free. And all you got to do is go over and leave me a Google review. That's it. Light me up, tell me what you love, tell me what you hate, leave me a review. We're going to be picking one of you guys. It's going to run to the end of August, so 2 more weeks. So Google 816 Diesel, leave a review, and if you do, we're going to be giving away this actual, I pulled it out of the box today just to update it. CTS 3, and if you have a diesel and you don't have one of these yet, you are missing out, because you can monitor all your data that you really need to be keeping an eye on. 6Os, engine oil temp, coolant temp, boost. We got an EGT probe hooked up, runtime just nice, so you know how long it takes to get where you're going. FICM, keeping an eye on that. Trans temp. This thing does check engine lights. If you run bigger tires, you can put the math in and correct the speed. I mean, this thing does it all. It's color touchscreen. It's got all the gauges you would want. We sell these. We sell a lot of them. They're really nice units. We recommend them to everybody. They're $400 brand new. And all you got to do right now is I did this on Facebook, so bear with me. On YouTube, drop a comment right below right now. Let me know you saw this video. Head over to Google, leave me a review. As long as you have a Google review and I come back to the video, you will win this color touchscreen Edge CTS 3. We're also going to throw in an 816 Diesel t-shirt too. So head over there now, guys. We're giving away this actual CTS 3 live in 2 weeks. So it doesn't cost you a penny. But like I said, drop me a comment. Go leave me a review and you are in, and we'll be doing the drawing live. And if you're not on Facebook, follow me. A lot of these drawings take place on Facebook. We put them there first, but I do want to include the YouTube followers because you guys are awesome. So 816 Diesel, like I said, leave us a review. We're down here in the shop. We appreciate you guys for watching. Let your buddies know. 2 weeks, win this bad boy. There's only like 14 people entered right now, guys, so I mean your chances of winning are great. We're just trying to increase our footprint, our digital footprint when it comes to social media. So we want followers, subscribers, and we love you guys. That's why we're giving you free stuff. So it's hot. I am sweating. It's like 110 degrees in the shop, and it's Friday. So we're calling it a day. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and look forward to giving this away to one of you.